Okay, Spongebob challenge number 2. We're going to be evaluating these expressions, and the way that we're going to do it is going to make sure we do expansion first. Look at the expansion and our signs. So this is a 2 to the third power, so the 2 will be expanded. So we're going to write 3, 2, 2, 2, all in parentheses. Minus 3, and this is 2. We're going to expand that twice. Okay. Now, working from the expansion, what we have is all positives multiplying together, and basically there's 6 times 4, which is 24. And here we have 1 multiplying negative and 2 positives. And let me show you the pattern here. 1 negative is essentially going to be negative. Okay. 2 negatives multiplied will give you a positive. 3 negatives when multiplied will give you a negative. And when we're multiplying 4 negatives, we're going to give a positive. And you can kind of see the pattern growing here. When there's an odd number of negatives multiplying, then you're going to get negative. When there's an even number of negatives multiplying, you're going to get a positive. So here we have 3 numbers multiplying. It's only 1 negative, so your answer will be negative. So 3 times 4 is 12, and it'll be negative 12. Different signs subtract, so we get 12 here when we subtract these two. And the bigger sign wins, so positive 24 wins, so we have a positive 12. Next, the expansion of this will be 3, 2, 2, 2. The expansion of this will be negative 3, and this will be negative 2, negative 2. So there's our expansion here. Okay, multiplying this, we'll get a 6 times 4, which is 24. Okay, these are all positives. Here we have 3 negatives, 1, 2, 3, and 3 negatives will give you a negative as an answer. And we have 6 times 2, which is 12. Okay. Here we have different signs, positive and negative, so we'll subtract, and we'll get 12. 24 take away 12. And then the bigger sign is positive, so the answer will be positive. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have a negative 3 expanding to negative 2. Get this, minus 3, and then expanding this negative 2. So first I want to look at my signs. How many signs am I multiplying by, or negative signs I'm multiplying by? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'm multiplying by. When you multiply by 4 negatives, you will get positive. So this will be positive. And 6 times 4 is 24, so that's positive 24. Here, I have 1, 2, 3 negatives, so that will be negative. 3 negatives give you negative. And this will be 6 times 2, which is 12. Okay. And once we get 12 here. Okay. Should get some more variety to these, but you'll get more variety when you do the middle and the right columns. Just make sure you follow the pattern that I'm establishing here. Sorry, the problems are just not more exciting. I guess I can change that. Okay, the expansion of this will be negative 2, and negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. The expansion of this will be negative 3, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. All right, so I have 4 negatives here, so this will be positive. And 4 times 4 is 16, so it's positive 16. Here I have 4 negatives, so this will also be positive. And this will be 6 times 4 is 24. Same signs will add, and I will get 40. Bigger sign wins from the 24 here, so that'll be positive 40. Okay, number 5. The expansion of this will be -2, 3, and 3. The expansion of this one will be -2, -3, and -3. Okay, here I am multiplying. There's one negative multiplying, so we'll get a negative out of this. And 6 times 3 will be 18. Here I have 3 negatives, 1, 2, 3. So 3 negatives will be negative. And this one I have 6 times 3, and that'll be 18. Okay. Same signs will add. So 18 and 18 will be 36. And the bigger sign wins, and they're both negative and have the same size, so this will be -36. Number 6. The expansion for this will be -4, 3, 3, 3. The expansion for this will be -2, and -3, -3. Okay. Here I have one negative in all my multiplications, so this product will be negative. And I'll have, oh boy, 27 times 4, which is 25 times 4, which is 100. And 2 times 4 is 8, so that's 108. Okay. Here, this will be 2 times 9, which is 18. And I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that negative, negative, negative will be negative. So what we have is same signs. Same signs will add. So we'll get 26 here and 126. And the bigger sign will win, so the negative on the 108 will win. So -126.